Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to join granny squares with a flat slip stitch seam. I'm going to use a contrasting colour for this, but you can use the same colour as the edges or as the main body colour that you want to. This is the back side. You need the right side facing up, facing you, to be able to start to join the squares. So first of all, I'm just going to get my contrasting yarn and my hook, and I'm going to look for the middle chain of the 3 chain that I have for the corners, and put the hook through the back loop only of both of those chains. I'm going to make a slip knot with my contrasting colour, put that over the hook, pull it through the first loop and the second loop, so it's poking through and the squares are joined. The working yarn stays at the back of the work as you continue to join the squares. Next, I'm going to put the hook through the back loop only of the next chain, and the square on the left through the back loop only on the next chain as well. So I have 3 loops on the hook. I'm going to yarn over and then pull through the first loop and then through the remaining loops on the hook. And as you can see, we have a chain there in a contrasting colour. To continue, I'll put the hook through the next back loop only on the right and on the left, yarn over, and then pull through all 3 loops on the hook. And then you have another chain. And continue to place your hook through the next back loop only on the right and then on the left, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. And you would continue to do this all the way up to the top of the square. when you reach the top of the squares, stop in the first chain that is before the second chain of the corners, so that when you go to join more squares on top, you can start from there and go straight into the next 2 squares above, and that creates a nice join for you. I hope that you've enjoyed this tutorial, and for more tutorials please check out my YouTube channel and get lots of free patterns and free printables on my website. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching.